Okay, here we go. This is the first ride on a 2021 Husqvarna FC450 ROCKSTAR edition. Pretty excited about this bike. The biggest selling points for me were the FMF exhaust, the tunable engine, the Brembo brakes, and it just looks good. So we're gonna start it up, see how it runs. There is a cold start down here you can push in. And the cool thing is to release it, push forward on the throttle. And that releases it, that's pretty cool. I haven't messed with these yet. Let's take it for a spin. Well, first thoughts, really like it. I'd like to bring the handlebars up or put them forward a little bit. I want to adjust some of these things on here. They're kind of in weird spots, but adjust the clutch a little bit. But I love the clutch, I love the brakes. Those are the main things I noticed. Really smooth. Another thing I like too, I liked mode 2. It's a little bit more aggressive. And I thought the traction control was pretty cool. When you're in some deep gravel or some sand or trying to climb these hills over here, you can tell it's working. Seems like your RPMs stay there, but it just doesn't allow your tire to spin as freely. Pretty sweet bike. Thanks for watching.